Alright guys, welcome to Absolute, another video of boots on the ground. Today we are looking at a Kubota engine, and what we want to show you today is how to either replace or check your glow plugs. So we're going to kind of show you, point to you kind of where we're going to be headed. So Josh, if you'd show us kind of the area we're going to be working on today.
We're going to be up in here. The glow plugs actually sit behind this air filter, so we're going to remove that to gain access to both glow plugs. And to do that, we're going to remove this clamp and this clamp and these two bolts here to drop this air filter out of the way. And they do stick a little bit, so what I do is pull on here to get them to free up, make sure they're loose. You can use a nice square pick to carefully get back behind the rubber to free it up from the new paint. Once that hose is off, you can actually remove the filter housing with these top bolts. And they are 13 millimeter. And one nice thing about Kubota is their bolts washers are mounted together, so you don't have to worry about dropping those down in the engine compartment, spending the next day to try and find them.
We found using a ratchet wrench seems to work the best, getting those out.
And once you're to this point, you can pull the filter carefully, as the backside can contact the injector lines. Just pull this hose down and over, and it really frees up some room to get that back hose off. And then again, you can just twist the housing or use your pick if it seems like it wants to stay. With the housing out of the way, take this clamp off, and now you can really see where we're going to be. This is your power supply for your glow plug. There's a bridge between the two, and your second glow plug is back here. This is a 7 millimeter to remove that cable, and the top post for the glow plug. And one thing I like to do is just start loosening, because these nuts are very small and very easy to lose inside the compartment. So just going slow, making sure you keep a hold of them so that you're not trying to find a nut. Then we remove our line, or our power wire, which it is slotted to slide right over the glow plug stud. We pull our bridge off, and then we use 10 millimeter to remove the glow plugs. Again, I like to just break them loose with the ratchet and spin them the rest out, the way out, just with the socket.
Okay, show us the glow plugs
so here. We have
there we go.
The glow plugs, and you can see that they do have some carbon on them, more so in times of full use, but what we're going to do is check the ohms through the plug to ensure they're proper. One thing I like to do is, with the carbon buildup, is just take a little piece of emery cloth, give yourself a nice contact point for the tester. So we're going to use our multimeter and set it to ohms to check the resistance through each glow plug independently. And what we're looking for is a 1 ohm resistance.
And don't forget, your meter is also going to have some resistance in it, so check that at the beginning and then subtract that from your total.
Yep, so we have a reading of 1.2 in the rear glow plug. And as we look to check our meter's resistance, it is 0.1, 0.2, so that is a fully functional glow plug with 1 ohm resistance through it.